Hello, and welcome to Techniforce Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to easily download, install, and activate Livecaster. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type livecaster.in/members/login. Here, you can see the members area login window open. Enter your credentials and click on Login. Now you are logged into your member area after login successfully. Here, you will see your product name, license key, and the status of the key displayed. Click on the product name from the list. The Livecaster download window will open. Choose the appropriate version of the app. If you have Windows, select Windows. If you have Mac, select Mac. In my case, I have Windows, so I will select Windows to download. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and navigate to the download section. Right-click on the downloaded file, then click on Extract All to extract your files. Here, the extracted file is now open. Now, open the Livecaster setup file to begin the installation process. Click on More Info, then click on Run Anyway. Don't worry, Livecaster is a 100% secure and safe application. Click Next to start the installation process. Then, click Next again and select Install to complete the installation. Click on Finish to complete the installation process. Livecaster's icon is now added to your Start menu, and you can run it by clicking on the icon. Move back to the Livecaster members area to get your license key and activate your Livecaster application. Copy your license key and paste it into the license key field in the Livecaster application. Then, click on Activate License. Next, enter your name and email ID to activate your account. Click on the Activate button to activate your license. After clicking, you will receive a confirmation message stating that Livecaster has been activated. The Livecaster application will automatically restart after successful activation. If it does not restart automatically, you can open it manually from the Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac by clicking the Livecaster icon. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.